Hello students, good evening to all. So we already know that your today's homework is listen my instruction carefully. Take your Elga note. Okay students. So draw a timeline marking the beginning, the middle and the end of the timeline. So students, tell me what is mean by timeline? Nice. Timeline is a line that shows the time and the order in which events have happened. It is called a timeline. So, your today's homework is draw a timeline marking the beginning, the middle and the end of the timeline. Mark all the events imagined in the imagination activity from the writing class today on the timeline. And add a few more adventurous details. Okay? So, in writing and speaking expression part in our today's classroom, we do one activity. So that draw a timeline marking the beginning, the middle and the end of the timeline. Mark all the events imagined in the imagine activity from the writing class today on the timeline and add a few more adventurous details. Okay. Now everybody should take a worksheet too. Your next homework is read along with me. Take a pencil also. Connectors. Circle the connectors and underline the causes and the effects in the given sentences. Write C for cause and E for effect above the sentence. So students, now answer me. What does mean by connectors? Anybody? Nice. Connectors are words that connect or join different ideas which are related to each other. Okay. So for example, because, since. So these are all the words used as the connectors. So what does mean by the word causes? Anybody here? What does mean by cause? Very good. Cause is the reason for an action. What does mean by the word effect? Anybody? Excellent. Effect is the result of an action. Okay. Very good students. Now listen. Read the A question. I had to wash the blanket as I spilled tea on it earlier. So now you have to underline the causes and effects, okay, and mention it, and also circle all the connectors, okay. Now students, tell me here which one is the connectors? Nice. AS as is the connectors. So you have to circle this AS as is the connectors. I had to wash the blanket. So this is an effect or a cause? Nice. I had to wash the blanket. It is the effects. It is the result of an action. I spilled tea on it earlier. So this is the cause. Okay. So now B question. Because he came late, he missed the train. Here, which one is the connectors? Very good. Because is the connectors. He came late. It is the reason for an action. It is the cause. He missed the train. It is the effect. Okay. My sister is sleeping because she is ill. So because is a connectors. Because is a connectors. My sister is sleeping. It is the effect. She is ill. It is a cause. So like this you have to finish this remaining 4 questions. Okay students. So thank you. Bye bye. Happy learning.